So the exam logistics, okay, they run the exam every year for 10 months. They start it on May 1st of every year, unless that's on a weekend. And then they run it until the end of February. And so this time it's going to go until February 29th. There are 3 exams, and you can take each one of them 4 times during this 10-month testing window. But it's not a good idea because that's going to cost over $800 per exam, so you don't want to do that. Ideally, you want to get sufficiently prepared so you only have to take it once. The locations, they're in major metropolitan areas in the United States. They've got some locations outside the United States. And as I said, in order to find the one nearest you, I think Dallas is a big enough city that there should be one near you and you shouldn't have to drive 200 miles. Most of the locations are open on Saturday. Some of them are open on Sundays, and most of them are also open on evenings. Prometric runs a lot of different exams. The CPA, they run police exams, fire department, nursing, data, processing. I don't even think they call it that anymore, but all kinds of different kinds of exams are run through there. So they have a lot of different exams being given at the same time. So they do have a tendency to fill up. The exam is designed to take 3.5 hours, and you get 15 minutes in the beginning to get familiar with the interface, with how the exam screens work. And then you have 15 minutes at the end to submit comments and questions to Prometric and the IRS and observations about issues that you may have run into with their system, things that don't work, maybe exam questions that didn't make sense or had more than one answer. That's where you would put that information towards the last 15 minutes of the event. So we've given you the main phone numbers. There is a phone number on the bottom that they don't publish. It's 800-853-6769. And if you can't get them to answer the main 800 number, then you may want to try that. That used to be the back end phone number when people had problems. I don't guarantee that it works because they keep changing their system, but that might actually get you through. The other thing is you might try the international phone number or toll phone number. It's possible that they might answer that sooner than the 800 number. I don't know, but I know there have been very long waits on the main 800 number.